In this tutorial video, you will learn how to create a triangle model of the land according to point elevation. Clicking the Surface button on the Tools menu opens the Triangle Model Creation panel. In the panel that opens, the layer with elevation information and the column in which has elevation information are selected. Then, the layer in which the triangle model to be created is added is selected. If there is no layer on the map, it can be created with the Quick Layer Creation button. After selecting the options, the triangle model is created with the Create option. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.